It is so cold in here. I can't wait to put my jacket on. But the thing is, last time I put my jacket on, I created the video and it made so much noise, which was very, very disturbing. Anyway, guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why online courses are very profitable and why the big buzz about online courses. Well, first of all, it is very, very profitable because the barrier to entry is very, very low. All you need is a basic camera, screen recording software, and pretty much you can just dump all your knowledge onto the microphone and you're up and running really fast. And if you're good at your expertise and how you explain and how you engage people, you can make a lot of money. And this is why this business is highly profitable. Now, let's compare this with traditional businesses. So let's say you wanted to sell these mice, right? What you would do is you would first order these maybe at a cheaper price, put your markup, and then you still need to market it and sell it. So the difference between the price you've bought this item and your markup, that's going to be your profit. So there's a lot of moving things here. We have to buy the products. We also need the initial amount of money to buy the products and then try to sell them. So that to me is a bit more difficult. And that is why I'd never really gone into a business where I had to buy the raw materials to create the final product or buy the item at a cheaper price and then try to put my markup on it. It's just too much. The profit or the margins are very, very low. Now, with a course, you create it once and guess what? You can sell that one course many, many times. So that's the advantage. When it comes to the example of, say, the mice, how many can you really sell to make that profit? So let's say you're making $20, profit per mouse that you're selling. You need to really sell a lot of these in order for you to make a decent amount of money. And your marketing has to be really good as well. But with a course, you create it once. Even if it takes you a month to create, you create it once, but the limit of how many people you can sell to is pretty much, the sky is open. It's limitless. So you just need to be good at creating your funnels and just making sure that you are convincing enough for people to buy your product. So as I mentioned, the barrier to entry is very low. You can just get inexpensive cameras and this will do a good job. You just need good lighting. You need software to record on your computer and pretty much basic editing. You're up and running and your course is out there. Now, I've also created some tutorials on how to find out if your course is profitable or if there's a demand for that course. I will leave a link to all these videos, or in fact, you can just go on my channel and see all the tutorials that I created. So now let's talk about another important factor, and that is to create a lot of content around your expertise or even your knowledge. Nowadays, of course, we're living in this time where things have changed dramatically with this pandemic. A lot of people are going to be trying to learn new skills, and this is where now you need to help them learn those skills by providing your experience and what you know in your field. So there's several fields. So some of you could be, say, accountants. You can just put your knowledge out there about accounting. It could be plumbing, it could be bricklaying. Pretty much anything. People are willing to learn. Sometimes I even go online to really look at some of the things that I want to learn about. Like, for example, I've been trying to fix my car lately. So if there was a course which is specific to a BMW 3 Series, come on, I'll be buying that course for sure because I would like to learn how to fix things myself. The other day, I was trying to paint my son's room. Same thing, you want to learn about painting, what types of paints, what type of brushes and all of that. I have no idea where to start. So if there's a course that teaches you how to go or how to get started with painting, trust me, a lot of people would like to buy that. So it can be really anything, your expertise, your knowledge, package it into a course and sell it online. And this is why it's very, very easy for you to get started with online courses. It's very, very profitable. And this is why there's a big buzz on the market right now about online courses. Now, I will be teaching a lot of all this on how to put everything all together into one package. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification on this side. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below. Take care. See you soon.